Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a comprehensive review of the 2025 Toyota Foxy. Let's delve into what this automotive marvel offers. The 2025 Foxy is anticipated to be equipped with a robust yet efficient powertrain. The Foxy is expected to deliver a smooth and responsive driving experience, suitable for both urban commutes and long family road trips. At the heart of the Foxy, we can expect a refined engine that balances power output with fuel efficiency. Toyota's proven track record in engine technology suggests that the Foxy will be equipped with a state-of-the-art unit. Whether it's a gasoline-electric hybrid or a potentially electrified option, the engine is likely to be paired with a seamless transmission for optimal performance. Step inside the Foxy, and you're greeted by a meticulously crafted cabin that prioritizes comfort and functionality. High-quality materials and ergonomic design are expected to create a premium ambiance. The spacious interior will accommodate passengers comfortably, with ample legroom and headroom. Advanced technology features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, are likely to be integrated seamlessly, enhancing both driver and passenger experience. The 2025 Toyota Foxy presents itself as a compelling option for families seeking a versatile and technologically advanced minivan. With its anticipated blend of power, efficiency, and interior refinement, the Foxy has the potential to set new benchmarks in its class. As we eagerly await the official launch, the automotive world watches with anticipation. Stay tuned for further updates and an in-depth review once the 2025 Toyota Foxy is officially launched. Thank you for watching.